guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I tried recreating Deepika Padukone Ambani pre-wedding makeup look. She's looking stunning in black, smoky and nude makeup in the gold outfits. So guys, let's check how I done this makeup. I clean my skin properly before I start the makeup. So as usual, I'm going to start with my skincare. First, apply serum from Lakme Absolute Perfect Radiance Serum. So guys, you can apply any serum. Next, I'm going to apply moisturizing from Olay Complete Lightweight Day Lotion Normal to Oily Skin with SPF 15 to keep my skin hydrating. And apply moisturizing surge from Clinique Face Spray to give my skin more hydrating because of I have got my dry skin. Then apply eye serum from Clinique Roll On to keep eye hydrating, help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines. Next, apply tint in balm from YSL. This is amazing products, guys. Look at guys, beautiful color to keep lip plump and smooth. Done my skin care, so I will leave my skin about 4 to 5 minutes to absorb all products on my skin. Next step, apply primer from Revolution for the long-lasting makeup. This foundation I'm trying first time from Maybelline Super Stay 24 Hours Skin Tint 60 with vitamin C. Apply very less of the foundation using dot dot method, and for blending I'm using damp beauty sponge. Then apply concealer from Maybelline Fit Me Shade 30, and I'm going to apply under eyes, forehead and chin, and I'm going to apply very less of the concealer. If you see the Deepika, her makeups look more natural, and I'm going to leave concealer few minutes after apply to become taggy. Next, apply contour stick from Bare Minerals Bare Pro and apply in the cheekbone, forehead, jawline and in the nose. Then blend out with the beauty sponge upward to give lifting effects. blend with my finger in the nose, I found better way to blend out. You can blend out with a small brush, guys. Next, blend out concealer using a small beauty sponge. For the brightness concealer, I'm using from Jasmin. Then again, I'm going to apply very less amount of the concealer in under eyes and near the mouth. And again, I'm going to leave few minutes to become taggy. Next, I will do my eyebrow makeup. Eyebrow pencil, I'm using from MUA Micro Define Pencil and fill the sparse area. And apply clear fixing gel from the replacement eyebrow for the long lasting. Now blend out the concealer and make sure you blend out properly. Same concealer from Maybelline Fit Me 30, apply in the eyelid. After apply the concealer, let the concealer dry few minutes before apply the loose translucent powder. Next, apply the loose translucent powder under eyes to stop creasing concealer. Apply T-zone and near mouth where normally start the sweating and for the long lasting makeup, but guys, not too much. If you got dry skin, your skin will become more dry. Same translucent powder apply in the eyelid. Next, I will do eye makeup. So you can see Deepika done black smoky eyes. So guys, I will do the same. So first apply eye pencil in the whole eyelid. Don't apply in the above the eye crease. Just stay till the eye crease and don't need to be perfect to apply. Next, use a small blending brush and blend out properly till the smooth look. Same eye pencil apply in the waterline. Next, take black eyeshadow and apply in the whole eyelid. Next, take light color of the orange color and apply in the eye crease and eye bone and diffuse the black color and blend out till the smooth and seamless look. And make sure there is no harsh lines. Same eyeshadow, apply lower eyelashes and smoke out. Next, apply black shimmer color for the more intense look. Next, clean the side of the eyes to look clean and sharp. Next, apply the mascara. If you like to apply fake eyelashes, you can apply, but I'm going to leave like that. Then clean the powder properly using clean brush. Next, apply powder bronzer from YSL and apply where applied the contour and give more sun-kissed effects. Then apply very slightly pink blush from Revolution called Cheeky. Next, apply very slightly highlighter in the high point of the cheekbone, eye bone and corner of the eyes. Finally, apply nude pink lipstick. So guys, this is my final look. I hope you guys love watching my video. If yes, please don't forget to subscribe, likes, comments and share the video. It's going to build up my channel. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I love you all. See you soon in the next video. Bye.